Recording and playing audio in your app couldn't be easier in ViziApps Studio. This field action can be used for many purposes, including allowing clients to record mechanical sounds for analysis, allowing clients to record court proceedings or eyewitness accounts, just to name a few. You can access the Record Audio action through the Button and Image button tools. Select Record Audio from the Select Action drop-down menu. Then choose the field in which the audio will be stored. This is typically a hidden field, which can then be used to play back the audio, send the audio through email or text message, or save the audio to a back-end data source. For the button label, you can choose Standard Text, or you can choose from the extensive Font Awesome library to insert an icon, either standalone or in addition to text. Clicking on this question mark will give you a step-by-step guide on how to insert the icon. You can also use an image button and select from our extensive library of images and icons, or upload your own. On the canvas, you'll want to create a hidden field in which the audio will be stored. Then you can call the audio storage field to be used in messaging, uploading to a back-end data source, or allowing the user to play it back. For that, simply enter a button or image button, and under the Action tab, enter JavaScript that will play the audio from the field you specify. To find more help with JavaScript, browse our other tutorials at ViziApps.com and on YouTube. In the app, when you tap on the Record field, you'll see this band of tools pop up. The red button initiates and terminates the record function. Tapping on the Play button will allow you to hear the audio back. Tapping on the X will close the audio pop-up without saving the audio, while tapping on the green check mark will approve the audio and save it to the designated field. When you tap on the Play field, you'll see a modified audio pop-up that simply contains a Play button and a Close button. Experiment with the record and play audio features we've set up for you in our app templates. Then use the tool to enhance the functionality of your own app. Find more helpful videos at ViziApps.com and on YouTube. Before you know it, you'll be creating apps like a pro with ViziApps.